Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. Today, I'll be taking you step by step through the installation process of Metamask app in this tutorial. Let's get started. Open Play Store first. Tap on the search bar at the top. Type in Metamask app. This is the app that we will be downloading. Tap on it, then tap on Install. Now let it download. After the installation is complete, tap on Open. Then tap on Get Started at the bottom. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.